Welcome to the April 2024 Raptor update. In this month's update, we'll look at a new feature called multi-push. Multi-push is useful for multi-campus transcripts and enables you to split a transcript across more than one school ID. Let's look at this new feature. The multi-push is a feature that's been requested for some time and is useful for multi-campus transcripts. First, it depends on your business process. Some Raptor users will utilize this new feature, while others will choose not to. Multi-push is useful for multi-campus transcripts such as Los Angeles Community College District, City Colleges of Chicago, Maricopa, and Riverside. And these transcripts are systems of schools in which multiple schools or multiple campuses are represented on a single document, and your business process may involve splitting them off across multiple school IDs. For this multi-push feature, we've released a new icon or new checkbox on the grid. We'll show you how this works. You'll see a new checkbox here and checkboxes that are displayed here on the rows. So let's demonstrate this new feature. Here inside Raptor, you can see a transcript for Los Angeles Community College District. You can see here that there are multiple campuses represented, LAPC as well as LAMC, and there could be others. Once you've processed this transcript, you'll see the courses here on the grid as usual. What's different now is this multi-push feature, and you'll see the icon here. If it's my business process to split these courses across different school IDs, then here's how I would use it. I would turn this feature on by clicking the multi-push icon. You'll see it turn green and it's now enabled. When I click this icon, you'll see that a select box is now available in the courses. In this particular example, there's several for LAPC. So I might right-click here on the select column, and I can do select all. All rows are now selected, and I can just deselect Survey Art History to unselect it, right? So now I'm going to push these 7 courses to this particular org ID 12350. I'll go ahead and click Push to SIS. You'll notice when I click Push to SIS that I have a new pop-up here. Am I going to push more rows for this transcript, or am I done? In this case, I have one more row that I want to push to LAMC, so I'm going to say yes, I want to push more rows. Now that I've pushed the rows for LAPC, I can come back and do a deselect, and I will select only Art History 2, which is going to go to LAMC. Now I will change the school ID for whatever I want it to go to. Let's just say that's a 57. And now I have only one row selected here, Survey of Art History 2, which will go to this school ID here. So again, I'll click Push to SIS. Now in this case, if this is the entire transcript, I could say, I am done with this transcript, and that will close out this transcript. Or I can say yes, and I can click Push additional rows to other school IDs. If I decide that I want to turn off this feature, then I just toggle this multi-push, and I'll return to the normal grid. So this concludes the April 2024 Raptor update. We've demonstrated a new feature called multi-push that's useful for splitting a transcript across multiple campuses. You may or may not wish to use this feature depending on your business process. As always, thank you for using Raptor, and let us know anything we can do to help.